Hi YouTube, today we're gonna make a full review for Royal Cherating Chalet. Check it out. Assalamualaikum YouTube. Hari ini kita akan pergi ke Royal Cherating Chalet. Katanya tempatnya cantik. Mari kita tengok apa yang ada kat sana. Perjalanan agak jauh 3 jam tapi berbaloi sebab ada banyak tempat makan boleh pergi. Boleh singgah Temerloh makan ikan patin. Lepas tu boleh pergi ke Kuantan ataupun Kemaman untuk berkena kopi Kemaman. For our trip, we go to Kemaman because we want to go for kopi Kemaman and sata and keropok as well because this is our favorite.
Hello guys, we are now at Bang Kopitiam Senyap Berhad Cukai Kemaman since 1940. So this is a famous shop for coffee in Kemaman. I highly recommend everyone to check out. Coffee is delicious, ambience is nice, and donut and cookies also love it. Alright.
Book this chalet through Agoda at RM140 and with breakfast for 2 person. This is a new resort, so you got the new amenities, so it's very nice. There's plenty of seafood restaurant as well at night, so there you have plenty of option for eating.
Oh, tepi tu. Dia pusing kau ni. Okay. Sebab tadi dia sudah datang sini. Belum? Okay.
Cepat Ari cepat.
This bicycle for rental and internet is free of charge.
Welcome to Royal Chulan. Yelah, boleh pakai basikal. Okay. Yeah, everyone need to check. Kakak? Dah. Okay. Bouncing back. First impression? Okay, good. Okay, they have spa. Okay. We're also having this, which is nice. Maybe we can try it today. We are now doing that's our room over there. That's the reception. This is a very nice place. It's going to show you the seashore.
Why me?
We're gonna play kites. Yeah, something exciting. Alright. They also provide this shower as well. And take a look at this. Alright guys.
From the chalet to the beach is very near. It's less than 5 minutes walking, so it's very safe. We like this resort as well because the beach is very clean.
And Royal Chulan Cherating makes such a beautiful place. Now it's literally become patch over here. And we can ask the donut and cookie to hold this. Arif, Afika, can you hold this? Let's play kite. Oh no! Morning guys, this is day 2 of our trip. Hi Arif.
Hi.
Okay kakak, and this is our breakfast for today. During COVID-19, they are serving us with tapau food, and this is our food for our room. And just to let you know, this is how they serve it. They will send it from room to room. So we are now getting our lunch, our breakfast. Then after that we are heading to the beach. Alright, she is very cool. Okay, let's dig in. Get our breakfast. I think it's delicious. It's nasi minyak with orange juice with 2 apples. So this is what they give to us. Like to go to the beach.
Because I like sand and the water of beach somewhere.
So we are now at the general public swimming pool in Royal Chulan Villa. So we have an infinity pool. We have a jacuzzi over the right hand side. Beside the large and general swimming pool, we also have another pool over here. So this is part of Royal Chulan Villa swimming pool as well.
Ayah dah ni.
Tak cukup lagi. Nak main layang ke?
Nak.
Nanti kita tengok kejap lagi. Lepas ni boleh kot? Another 15 minutes.
Okey, jom. Akak. Jom
So,
renang dulu.
renang dulu. Okay?
Okey.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. So the pool is not so deep. It's about 1.2 meters. Same with the rest of the pool. Alright, let's go. We are going to check out. After this, we are heading to some other place in Kemaman and Cherating, Kuantan. Alright. Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe our video. It helps us. And stay tuned for more video in the future. Bye.